It's Monday. We're going to take a break from the studio today. We're going to venture into a different barn here, namely the kitchen barn. Well, the cafe, restaurant barn, which I'm standing in right now. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to knock out this concrete mezzanine thing here to open up this room. Well, to open up one end of this room, which is where the kind of kitchen bit is going to be. I've blocked up the windows with some insulation, which, how do I point to that? So that they don't get broken by falling debris. This is the first thing we're going to do this week. There's going to be lots of other stuff. Ferdy's back. He's outside already snagging the cladding on the outside, doing some window frames and surrounds and stuff, getting that all done. So yeah, this week. Kind of good to be doing some demolition again, especially after the hell that was half term. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to all the new subscribers and members, and yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay, that's done. Bloody hell. Okay. Well, we started off this morning trying to move all this rubble trailer load by trailer load to the dump. But we quickly realised, I mean, we should know this by now because we've done this so many times. Yeah, it's never going to work. So we've ordered a container, which is going to come tomorrow. And then, yeah, we can clean this up. I need to order the rafter ties. I spoke to the structural engineer again yesterday. We're going to get some metal rods to go between the rafters. And then we can take away all this steel here. So, yeah, I think we're going to pause on this for today, go and have some lunch, take the jackhammer back, and then I will figure out what to do next. But this is good to have got this done. It's made a damn mess, and it's very dusty in here. All right. Okay, phone camera, sorry. I totally forgot to film much of that, but I mean, I think you can use your imagination. Okay, that's clear. And the ceiling is open. This is genuinely to stop the sweat going in my eyes. It's not a fashion statement. All right, that'll do for today. Right, it is, what day is it? Wednesday? Thursday? I can't remember. Yeah, it's the next day after we cleared all this out. So yeah, I have been doing a bit of investigation up there as to how we're going to fit the bars going across. I can show you on this piece of paper. I've just been to the metal workshop. Originally we were going to make kind of clamps like this, which they would kind of clamp around the rafters, sort of like that, with bolts going through that way. But after my investigation this morning, it's going to be a massive pain in the arse to basically excavate out enough of the insulation and stuff to do that. So then I called the structural engineer and I said, could we not instead, sorry this is dirty, do something a bit like this, which is basically a long bar with this bracket welded onto it, so then we can screw into the front of the rafter instead, and then the bar will fit between this one and the one on the other side, like that. So that means all we have to do is go up there and just screw it into the face rather than have to go in on the side. Does that make any sense? Maybe this makes sense. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the workshop, and where Ferdy is busy building window frames and stuff for upstairs, very beautiful. I'm going to sort out this area, which is going to be the metalwork area in the end, and eventually we will have a kind of curtain that can be pulled around here if you're doing welding and stuff, just to kind of contain all the sparks and that, and some extraction, like a ventilation thing going outside. But for now I'm just going to use this opportunity to clear out all of this crap here and sort it out a bit, because I went to the metal factory just now and I got a whole load of metal so I can weld up these shelves, or I can start welding them up today. So that's my plan. Yes. Right. Right, I've been experimenting with my new toy, which is this metal saw here. Oh, it's about to get noisy, but yeah, cutting up pieces of metal to make these shelves, and yeah, it's going okay. Okay, it's getting noisy. I'll just film myself doing it. Right, I think I have cut everything I need for one side of these shelves. Funny to have the wooden version sitting here, which I'm going to replace with metal, but yeah, I think it's going to be really nice. So yeah, I have enough for 5 frames, so I will now pack away the saw, which has been fantastic by the way. Yeah, not sponsored by Evolution, but this is a really cool saw. Right, I'm going to pack this away, set up the welder, make sure there's no dust around, and I'll start welding up some of these frames. Meanwhile, Elsa has been out here sanding this whole wall. Can't even fit it in the frame. Oh man, it looks so beautiful. It's amazing wood. Is that 120? 100? Really? Okay. Yeah. That's all right.
Don't have any 120. It's okay, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's Friday. Quite an eventful morning so far. Towed Ferdy to the garage in his van. His van's broken, so hopefully it's going to be fixed easily. Also started trying to weld last night and realised that my regulator valve for the gas bottle was broken. So I drove to Bauhaus and bought another one, which didn't fit for some reason. It was just like 1 millimeter difference and was really crappy. And so this morning I went to see my friend Andreas, who has furnished me with a second-hand one, a really nice one. So I think we're back in business. So I think I can start welding. Haven't tested it yet, but it's looking promising. So let's see. Hopefully the next thing you see will be me welding one of these shelving struts, whatever the hell they're called. All right, let's do it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, shit, I didn't do much welding filming, but that is all welded up. So we're gonna have some lunch. Hopefully the place doesn't burn down while we're at lunch. But then I will grind all these welds nice and smooth. And then I will figure out how to join them into one piece, which I think is going to just be bars across the back of some description. Okay, Elsa has finished painting, well, staining the oak black, and man, it looks amazing. So classy. Kind of like the green actually now. Green, white and black. Sort of goes with some of the other bits. This big door is going to be black in the end, I think, or maybe some other wild, mad colour. I don't know. We'll see. But man, this is really looking good. Stained oak. Beautiful. Okay. Meanwhile, I have finished grinding all of those shelf bits, but I think I might have to stop there because I'm waiting for some rubber feet for these, and also I think we should paint them, or at least polish them. I haven't done like the neatest job in grinding it, but yeah, I think if we paint them up, it will kind of hide a lot of the sins of my shoddy metalwork. Still learning. But meanwhile, upstairs, very exciting, Ferdy has been finishing off the last bits here, like these windowsills, all made out of oak. This one, it's just doing the door liner now. Yeah. Wow, so there you go. It's Friday night, it's dark. Vincent and Elsa bodybuilding. I think that'll do for this week. Thank you very much for watching until the end. If you would like to support us, then you can click the little join button down below and become a channel member, which would be very, very, very much appreciated. So yeah, with a bit of luck, next week I'll get the metal for the roof and we can take all these beams out. That would be a big milestone. That would really be all the kind of actual messy stuff done. Okay, cool, thanks a lot. And I will see you again next time. Until then, lots of love, look after each other, and goodbye.